Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kurt Buchanan. Thank you guys so very much for checking out my video. I really do appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up Instagram story ads for your Shopify dropshipping store. So yesterday I managed to make over $1,200 in sales using Instagram story ads. They're super highly effective and I highly recommend you test them out for your very own Shopify dropshipping store. If you don't know what Instagram story ads are, this is a new placement that Instagram came in with about sometime last year. They're super highly effective and I do recommend you go ahead and try it out for your Shopify dropshipping store. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is. All you need to know how to set up one right now. So if you guys are not familiar with advertising on Facebook or Instagram and you want to find out information as it relates to ad size, dimensions, video sizes, anything you need to know about how to go about setting up the perfect ad for your Instagram or Facebook ads, then you want to go to the business ads guide right here, right? So I'm going to leave the link in the description, but this is where you find all the technical requirements for your ads on Facebook or Instagram. Alright, so basically with Instagram story ads, you have two options, which are video ads and image ads, right? So you can choose video. If you choose video here, then you can select your placement, which is Instagram stories. Then it's going to give you the design recommendations. So these are full screen vertical ads, which appears between Instagram user stories for up to 15 seconds or until the user dismisses the ad. All right, so they also give you a sample here to show you what the ad will look like and what it can look like. They're super really effective and they look really great in your Instagram feed if you have a really high quality ad. So that is why I think they are converting super well. All right, so other technical information you need to know is that your ad needs to be 1080p wide by 1920 high, which is a 9:16 aspect ratio. So you need to have that, bear that in mind as well. All right, so it says video thumbnail images that consist of more than 20% text may experience reduced delivery. So you need to limit the amount of text that you have on your video thumbnail for your Instagram ad. That 20% text goes as well for images. So if your image ad has more than 20% text, then it will also reduce your delivery for your ad as well. So for images, you want to go to images, of course, go back to Instagram stories and you will get the design specifications for that as well. So that's what I wanted to show you guys on this page. So I'm going to show you guys right now the exact image that I've created for my Instagram story ad that managed to generate over $1,200 in sales just yesterday. All right, so this is what it looks like. So this is my logo here. This right here, you can have some text, and as you can see, I have a little bit of text, and then I have a call to action here that says swipe up, because persons viewing this ad in their Instagram stories will have to swipe up to be taken to my destination, which is the link that you will put when you're setting up your ad in your Facebook Ads Manager, which I'm going to show you guys in a matter of minutes. All right, so that's the exact ad. So how did I create it? How do you get that design? How can someone who is an absolute novice be able to do that? So I use Canva. I use Canva for most of my artwork, guys, and as you can see, it was right here. This was where I designed it. So let me show you guys exactly how to find templates and how to edit the templates to design your very own ad for your Instagram story. So you want to go to Canva, sign up, of course, and click on where it says find templates. Once you click on that, you just want to type the keyword story. All right, type story, hit enter. It's going to take you to this page. As you can see, these images right here, these are the templates. As you can see, they're super high and wide right here, and these are the templates that you can use to create those Instagram story ads. All right, so you just find one that fits in with your niche, your style, click on it. Once you click on these templates, then you can choose use templates, and it's going to open up for you in the canvas where you can now edit this template to your liking. So that's the exact method I use to create my image right here for my Instagram story ad. All right, so as you can see, the dimensions are already perfect, but you can test by going to file. It should be 1080 by 1920. That's exactly what you want. All right, so once you have that, then you can go ahead and click here, double click to edit text. It says get pumped up at our spring sale. You can change this to say whatever you want. All right. Right here, you could remove some of this text if you think the text is too much. If you don't want that, you can highlight that and delete that, or you can replace it with something else. For image, you can delete the stock image and you can upload your very own image to use in your story ad. So say for example, this was the image. I could use this image and fit it right there. And then here, with this block right here, I could actually just say swipe up, because you want to have a call to action so persons know exactly what to do if they want to learn more. All right, so I'm just going to give you a few seconds just to look at my ad. It says, want a free watch? So I'm getting persons, I'm using a psychological trigger to get persons to say yes in their mind just by reading this. Yes, you want a free watch. I have limited stock left, but you can swipe up to get one. All right, so that's basically, you want to keep it simple. That's how you want to design your Instagram story ads. All right, so once you have it designed, it's time to set up your ad campaign. All right, so you want to go to your business manager. So you want to go to business.facebook.com. If you don't have your business manager account set up, you want to set up your account. Then you want to click on this hamburger menu here, go to all tools, you want to go to your ads manager, of course, which is going to take you to this page. Once you're here, you can choose to set up a campaign, an ad set, or you can just click on ads here to start setting up your ad immediately. When you click create here, it's going to ask you to give the campaign a name once again. All right, but first you have to choose your objective. For Instagram story ads, you can do reach, you can do brand awareness, I think, you can do traffic, and I think that's it. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be doing traffic. This is one I've used, so I know for sure that traffic is one of the objectives that you can use for Instagram story ads. All right, so once you're here, if you want to give your ad set a name, you can do that. I'm just going to choose website as my traffic destination. Audience, you can go ahead and set up your audience. I showed you guys how to do detailed targeting by setting up audiences in a previous video, but let me show you guys really quickly. This is not a targeting tutorial, but let me show you guys what I would do here. For that watch, I targeted 21 to 30, right? It's a cheap watch from China. Persons over 30 probably not going to be interested in that too much. I'm targeting men, of course. I'm targeting the United States. And then when it gets to detailed targeting, I probably want to target persons who are, let's say, could do financial. With persons low income, maybe 40 to 49,000 wants a nice looking watch. I could do that as a part of the targeting if I wanted to. I could add some more detailed targeting here. Persons who are interested in, I don't know, probably shopping and fashion accessories. I could do jewelry, for example. All right. And now let's do behavior. All right. So for all of my Facebook ads, I always do purchase behavior. All right. So you want to do purchase behavior. Maybe clothing engage shoppers, and you choose the purchase behavior based on the product you're promoting, and that's how you basically do your detailed targeting. You could save this audience to use when you're setting up a different campaign. As you can see, I have 12 million people in this campaign. Some persons will say this is too large, so you could do some more detailed targeting to reduce this and to refine it. All right, so this is where it gets really interesting, right? So usually when persons are setting up ad campaigns, they just choose automatic placement because it just sounds like the right thing to do. And plus, Facebook says it's recommended. But if you want to do Instagram stories ad, you have to click on where it says edit placements, right? This is where it's going to ask you to choose the placement destinations. All right, so you want to uncheck Facebook. We don't want this on Facebook because the ad is designed for Instagram stories. The size, it wouldn't work properly on Facebook. It just wouldn't show. You want to uncheck audience network and messenger. Where it says Instagram here, as you can see, feed is selected by default. So we're going to change feed to stories and uncheck feeds here. So we're doing the story ad. And as you can see, you have a sample here as to how it will fit in the story ads. All right. Estimated reach at this point is between 1,200 to 7,000, and this is based on a $20 per day budget. But if you can't afford $20 per day, you can start with $5 per day and run your ad. You can choose a time if you want to run it for a week or if you want to run it continuously as well. All right, so optimization for your ad delivery, you can choose to you can choose landing page views. So what this will do is Facebook will basically try to show your ads to persons who are more likely to wait on the page to load. All right, so bear that in mind. Or you can do link clicks, so persons who are more likely to click on the link. So what do you want to optimize for? You may want to do landing page views, so persons who click the link and go over to that page, wait on the page to load. All right, so once that is done on this page, it's basically time to continue to the next step, which is to design the ad ad for your Facebook Instagram stories. So you want to select your Facebook page, of course, and your Instagram page. Instagram page, of course, is the most familiar. Most relevant right here. You do need to have a business Instagram page. So if you're still using a personal page, please ensure that you change that to business. All right, it's free to upgrade your Instagram page to business. So you want to select a business page. All right, so for this, as you can see here, format, you can either choose to do a video or an image, as I pointed out earlier. Video has to be less than 15 seconds in length. Image will show for 5 seconds in the story. So I'm just going to use the image here for this tutorial. At this point, it says image. You can upload your image. So let's select the image that we want to upload. So this is the ad that I designed. Once that is uploaded, then it's going to ask you to select your destination, where you want a person to be taken once they see this ad and they decide to swipe up. Alright, so my image is uploading. So let me just select your destination. So at this point is where you put your website. So you put www here and put your domain name. For example, you put your domain name there. Once that is done, alright, it says landing page views won't be able to track because this page doesn't have your pixel. So you need to have your pixel installed on your page. That is basically what that is saying on your website. Alright, so you can choose the button, your button option. That's totally up to you, but I highly recommend you leave it at learn more. Alright, so research has proven that this button that says learn more definitely seems to get a lot more click. Alright, so persons don't feel that form of commitment as you would say shop now or something that seems like person has to take an immediate action. Learn more gives them the option to click it just to learn about the product. Alright, so once that is done, basically that's it. Alright, so this is giving me this notice here because I don't have the pixel set up. Once you have your pixel set up, this notice will be removed and you can basically click on confirm and Facebook will approve your ad if it's in accordance with their policies, of course, and then your ad will start running in Instagram stories. So Instagram stories, this is my Instagram account. I'm basically viewing it on Windows here. This is a Windows 10 Instagram app. Once persons start viewing stories, that ad will pop up in their stories as long as that person is in your target audience, and Facebook thinks that's someone that they should show your ad to. All right, so that's basically how to do it. They're super highly effective. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like, leave me a comment if you have any question, and please, I would really appreciate it if you choose to subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.